Hi, it's Pooja. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Pooja. I hope you all are doing lovely and welcome back to yet another video in my channel. So today's video is a long due requested video because somebody requested me to do a beginner's level eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and I thought why not make a smoky eyeshadow makeup tutorial, because smoky eyeshadow and nude lips are one of the most popular and beautiful combinations because it makes you look glamorous, it makes you look hot, it makes you look a number of things. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you really like this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And you will find all the description and all the products that I use in the makeup tutorials in the description box below. I hope you like this tutorial, and without much further ado, let's get started. So firstly, I've already done my base makeup and we are taking this Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner, and you can take any Kajal, kohl or gel eyeliner, and we are applying that on our eyelids. Oops, you can go messy because you're anyways gonna smudge it out. So go along the sides of your outer corner more than your inner corner. Keep a gap between that application and your inner corner, and after the application is done, take a smudge brush or a q-tip. So I'm using a q-tip today to make you show that it works all the same, and smudge it out. Don't delay this process of smudging, otherwise your gel eyeliner will dry out, because gel eyeliners tend to dry out really fast. And apply as many coats of gel eyeliner you want to get your desired intensity of black gel eyeliner smudged out on your eyelid. So I took approximately 3 coats of this gel eyeliner or 3 application of this gel eyeliner to get my desired intensity of this whole base which we are preparing for that smoky eyeshadow. So after that smudging is done, you can take any black eyeshadow of your own choice. Here we are taking from Faces Canada, and we are taking a palette which is made for smoky eyes. We are taking that black eyeshadow from there, and we are going to apply that using a flat eyeshadow brush and applying that on our eyelids. And it's gonna look completely insanely beautiful, and see how beautiful it's looking. And this without that gel eyeliner or kajal application would have never been possible, because it would not have never come that intense otherwise. So after that we are taking the fluffy eyeshadow brush and taking that dark brown eyeshadow. We are first gonna blend our crease, and then we are gonna blend the whole eyeshadow. So this is gonna make look our smoky eyeshadow more blended and more smoked out. So this is how it's gonna look beautiful. So now we are gonna take a kohl pencil, and we are gonna apply that on my lower waterline, and we are gonna smudge that kajal application using a pencil brush and the same brown eyeshadow. And as I said, more smoked out, more blended smoky eyes are the best ones. So we are gonna take the same kajal and apply that just like eyeliner, and we are gonna smudge that out too. We are gonna blend it out now, and then we are going ahead with our eyelashes, as because eyelashes play a very important role in any eye makeup. So we are gonna curl our eyelashes using some eyelash curler, and we are technically supposed to go apply mascara after curling eyelashes, but we forgot to highlight my inner corners, and we are taking the same highlighter which we are gonna use for my cheeks later. We are applying that using a clean pencil brush and highlighting my inner corner. This whole step makes any eyeshadow look very beautiful. Do try this. So now it's time for highlighting my brow bones with that beige or off-whitish shade of eyeshadow, and then the golden eyeshadow along the sides of my arches of brow bones. And this is a complete optional step. I like to do it this way. So now we are going to apply that mascara. I was so tempted to use a pair of false eyelashes, but I somehow just stopped myself because many beginners wouldn't have false eyelashes, and I thought that I shouldn't be doing anything which a beginner wouldn't have or wouldn't want to do. So I didn't go for a pair of false eyelashes, but I was really very tempted. So this is how this whole eyeshadow looks. So we are gonna go do same with the other eye now. After the gel eyeliner smudged, we are applying that black eyeshadow now. Then after the black eyeshadow application, we'll be going ahead with the smudger with the fluffy eyeshadow brush and take that brown eyeshadow, and we're gonna smudge or blend our crease first and then the whole eyeshadow. More smoked out, more blended smoky eyeshadow are the beautiful most smoky eyeshadows. Blend and blend. That's the key to this whole eyeshadow. Now we are highlighting my brow bones with the beige eyeshadow and then the golden eyeshadow. Now my inner corners with the same highlighter as we had done before, and then a kajal application or kohl application, and then smudging it out using that brown eyeshadow, and then some eyelash curling and some mascara. Oops, I forgot that I didn't line my other eyes. So we are going to line that lash line, and then we're going to smudge it out off camera, and then we are going back with the mascara again. Oh, I was so tempted to wear a pair of false eyelashes, but sometimes you do have to give up on some things, and anything for you guys. As it's a beginner's eyeshadow tutorial, I thought beginners won't have false eyelashes. So we are highlighting my cheeks a little bit, and for the lips we have gone completely nude with Wet n Wild liquid matte lipsticks. Give me Mocha, and this is how the whole look came out, and I hope you like this tutorial and find this useful. Till we meet again, loads and loads of love. Stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye. For you.